Hey guys, today we are going to be doing Project Pen, episode 5 maybe, I think. I feel like last time it was episode 4. Let me find out on my phone. I probably should have thought about this like before I started filming. What are you gonna do, you know? Yeah, okay, so we're up to Project Pen number 5. I'm excited. I already have my look in mind, so we're just gonna get straight into it. First, I'm just priming my eyes with the Anastasia. Oh my god, this happened again! My P. Louise one does not do that to me. I forgot, and now it's done it again. What the hell? Honestly? Anyway, yes, I'm just priming with my Anastasia eye primer. My brows today, I used the BH Cosmetics, I think it's called the HD brow pencil. In brunette, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in medium brown. I used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in light 10. That one's not in the Project Pen. It's just the concealer I use, and then I also used the Morphe translucent brow gel, and that's what's on my brows. I just got concealer all through my eyebrow. Whoops. Oh well, we can go over it later. Alright, this video I've been filming for 1 minute and 40 seconds, and I blame the Anastasia eye primer, honestly. Today we're going to be taking the Anastasia X Emreezy palette. I think I've already got a look in mind. I'm going to do something kind of like neutral with a bit of pink in the outer corner, and then we're going to put this Tarte chrome paint over the top. So let's get started. Okay. You know what I'm going to actually do tonight? When I stop filming and I go upstairs, I'm taking one of my eyeshadow palette pots. And once and for all, I'm gonna start to wash some brushes. Alright, I'm gonna take the shade called, I'm gonna take OG first, which is like this shade here. And that's gonna go like everywhere, I guess. Shade's beautiful. So while I'm filming this, I'm still on my break, but I'm like pre-filming at the moment. It's so nice. I've got this will be my second video that I've pre-filmed, which I know is like not many, but because I've still got a week, so I'm coming back on the 17th and today's the 10th, so I've got like a week until I have to start posting again. Yeah, by the time that I'm back, I should have like 10 videos pre-filmed, which is just gonna be like such a huge relief and like a big weight off my chest, so it's gonna be nice, you know? And I'm gonna start my Halloween, filming for my Halloween stuff soon. I'm just so excited. Alright, the next shade I'm gonna take is called Semsa. I think it's just like pinky shade. I'm gonna kind of layer it over the top. Whew. There's so many makeup releases coming out at the moment. It sucks because like when there's like a dry month or whatever, when no one like releases, it's so boring. It's like, oh my god, like where are all the makeup releases? And then it's like everyone releases at once, and it's like now I have no money and I can't keep track of all these releases, and you guys know how it is. So I'm probably just gonna do something like that. I think my face needs a very good, like, what do you call it, like some TLC tonight, because it is just going through it right now. It's just like, yeah. It's honestly for no other reason than the fact that I've been very lazy with my skincare. Alright, so I've got something like this. I think I'm gonna, take the pigment off this brush and then we'll blend it. Okay. Next, I just want a bit like of a smaller brush, and I think I'm gonna take like the dark, it's like a kind of like dark brown, but it has like a bit of like a reddy kind of undertone, a bit of a purpley one. It's this one here, and it's called Yugo, I think. Putting that like in outer corner. And I'll just blend it. Right, I'm gonna go off camera and cut my crease. Today we're gonna do a half cut crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut the crease and I just used the Pilois base in Room 0, and now I'm just gonna take that brush that had that dark shade on, and we're gonna use that to blend. I might take a little bit more of it as well. Okay, I feel like that looks good. Alright, so the tart chrome paint I have is called Froze. I just want to like swatch it to see. Oh, I think that'll look really pretty. Alright, let's do this. I'm just gonna take it on like a little flat brush. Very pretty. We'll blend it as well in a second. I feel like this looks really nice. I really like this color combo. I feel like it's very pretty. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is just take that brush just once again, this one, and just blend it one more time. Alright, for mascara today, I'm just gonna take the Colourpop BFF mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, put some lashes on, and I'll be back and we can do the rest of the face together. Okay, so I just used the XO Beauty Foaming Lashes in Thunder. Now we're gonna prime, and I'm gonna take the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer today. We're just gonna put that on my face. So for foundation today, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm gonna use my little sponge. I'm gonna wet that. So yeah, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Nude Ivory. I actually do really quite like this foundation. It's really nice for a you know, more affordable option, and I feel like the coverage is really nice. I would like to get a little bit of a darker shade. It does match me pretty well, but it's very pale because I am very pale. Yeah, this is just like, the coverage is nice. It's really nice. I really like it. It's a very, very nice foundation. I like the finish of it as well quite a lot. The way it actually looks on my skin and stuff. It's very nice. I need some good coverage right now because my skin is not good, you know? Okay, see, I really like this. I feel like this foundation is really, really nice. It's really good, and it's very cheap as well. Anyway, today for concealer, we're taking the Morphe Fluidity concealer. This one is in the shade C1.35. And then to set my concealer today, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Translucent. So I told you guys like how I kind of had that issue where with this powder I put it on and it left this really weird line. What I've done now is started like, I kind of blended it a little bit more and pressed it like a little bit further around, if you know what I mean, rather than just focusing it here and kind of leaving it. Like I've kind of, do you know what I mean? Pressed it into the skin a bit more, and I honestly haven't had that problem since. But I just wanted to report that in case you guys were like, oh, you know what I mean. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I honestly have not had that problem since I took a little bit more time to blend it and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, that's really good. Today, to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Peach Blur Translucent Smoothing Finishing Powder. So good, it smells amazing. I have to be careful with this because I'm so pale. And it says it's translucent, but it has a little bit of a pink tinge. And because I'm so pale, it can show up. So I like to use, you know, not too much of this. I had a dream last night that I went to the Australia Zoo, right? But it was like kind of like half locked up because obviously like lockdown and stuff. So like some of the shops and stuff were open, but like it was weird. Like, you know how like they have like display cabinets and stuff? Like, so the actual shop was open, but the display cabinets were pushed together so you actually couldn't get into the display cabinets. Does that make sense? So like the shops were open, but you couldn't actually buy anything because you couldn't get into like the display cabinets and stuff. It was so weird. And then like some of the like, what do you call them, like exhibitions or whatever, like some of the animals you could go and see, but then some of them you couldn't, and like none of it made sense because some of it was like free reign and then some of it was like closed off, and the parts that were closed off, like you could still see in there, but like you couldn't walk through it anymore. But they had like alligators and like I swear there was like chickens and stuff. Like I know there's not really chickens at Australia Zoo, but this is just in my dream. While I tell this story, I'm just gonna bronze. This is the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in 02 Warm. But yeah, so like you could see like through the door, like the exhibitions were like closed off, but you could see like through the windows, and they just kind of shoved like all the animals together. Like they had some like crocodiles and like alligators and stuff with like, I don't know, like other animals like sheep, and I don't know, it was so weird. And I was like, well, surely like all of the animals are gonna like kill each other, right? But yeah, I don't know, my dream was very weird. And also I went to Australia Zoo because I was shopping for the Simpsons stuff. So I really don't know like what was going on in my dream last night. But then instead of finding the Simpsons stuff, I ended up buying some AFL stuff. If you're not from Australia, AFL is like it's the Australian Football League. It's our football league. Like I ended up buying some of that stuff for my dad, and then I also found some Toy Story stuff. So yeah, I don't know what kind of Australia Zoo I was at. But yeah, all I remember is my mum and dad sent me in there because they're like, oh, we want a shark, like go buy, like can you buy us a shark, like not a real one, like a figurine or whatever. And I was like, yeah, sure. I couldn't find any sharks, but I found Simpsons stuff, AFL stuff, and Toy Story. So yeah, it was very weird, like I don't know, but anyway, that was my dream. I swear it's gone like a bit patchy. I don't know what the go is with that. This side it's fine, but this side it's not. Today, let's put a little bit of blush on. I'm going to take the Focalia Sunkissed Monochromatic Blush Duo in 01 Soft Apricot, and I'm just going to take this, the like matte side, a tiny bit of this one. Oops. Oh well, I'll blend it. For highlight today, I'm going to take the Mecca Cosmetica Highlight, oh no, Enlightened Powder Mini. It's like this. Looking at this now, it looks a little bit too dark for me. I wonder if it is, if it just looks too dark. I don't know, we'll find out in a minute. Oh no, it looks alright. That's really pretty. very, very pretty. Oh, it's a little bit dark, but it's okay. Like, it's not the worst. Beautiful though. Okay, I'm gonna go. What am I gonna do? Do my hair. I'm gonna take this MAC Fix Plus. This is the Cherry Blossom one to set my face. Alright, and then I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I just went in with the Chi Chi lipstick in Beautiful Stranger. It's just like this, well, you can see it's on my lips. It's like a brown colour. Yeah, this is the finished look. I feel like it looks really nice. I really like the eyes. I don't know if this lip really goes. Maybe I just did a bad job of applying it. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, this is how it looks. I'll zoom you in and show you the eyes. They are definitely my favourite part. I really like that tart cream paint we used. I think that's really pretty. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying my Project Pan series. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!